guys, the boss is coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Good morning, happy Sunday, you beautiful, good looking, amazing people that's watching me. Good morning. Yeah, we're going somewhere today. We're on a journey. I don't know why the vlog stabilizer leaning like this. It's be tripping, boy. Wow. But don't worry, man. We're here with the whole crew. We're going somewhere. I ain't gonna show you who's here with us as yet. But yeah, we're there. Want to take it easy.
Probably thinks I'm
We're going up a hill now. Turning. But yeah, man, I hope you guys having a wonderful weekend so far. I'm there. I'm going to take it easy. Hey, me take out my clothes out of the barrel. It smells like camphor ball. Oh! Camphor ball clothes.
Why you do it, John Crow?
They use some clothes in some camphor ball in a barrel. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm ready, you know? But anyway, peeps, happy Sunday. We touch down at the place with us. Show up all of the faces them, you know what I mean? All of the ugly people them like me and Mackie PSYNOS, you know what I mean? All the beautiful people and like Miss PSYNOS and Sheri PSYNOS and Marja, yeah, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's go on journey with the boy. Let's go. Let's go. Vibes time. Hey! Let's go. Look at my beautiful people. Faces. Sure, those teeth are expensive teeth. Where are those? Cherries are expensive teeth, you know. Your teeth here. What's it? Let's go. Miss PSYNOS, let's go. All right, auntie. My ball. All right. Yes, Keela. Let's go. Enjoy yourself, man. Alright, I will add some rain. Alright, hey, let's go, auntie, let's go. Family, man. Yeah. This way. Right side, switch. McLaren. monkey.
Oh!
Yeah. Guess who's here? Miss Sinus. Yeah, he's so pretty. Wow. We got auntie up in the building.
Hi.
Yeah. We got uncle and nephew up in the building. Big up yourself. You know, Uncle, big up yourself. You know?
Yeah, man.
The chef,
man.
the good chef, you know. Chefing it around. Uncle Patrick up in the building with the music. Yes, man. We got Tire Sinus up in the building. We got Mackie Sinus up in the building.
We know, say your yard, man.
Yeah, man,
We have
I know.
Sheri Sinus up in the building.
We know, say your yard.
God, all the beautiful people. We got baby Sinus up in the building. Watch out! She not focus power, she not food, you know. But anyway, peeps, go on journey, your boy. It's been an epic Sunday. Happy birthday to Uncle Patrick again. Big up yourself, Uncle Patrick. Happy birthday. God bless you. May He give you His peace. May His face shine down upon you. Just live to see many more days upon like this. You see, big up yourself, Sadiki. Sinus, although you're there asleep, I get some rest. Yeah, big other days and them things there. You know what I mean? You rest up for work and things. So big up yourself. You know what I mean? Alright, big up on yourself, yo. The whole peeps, you know, we're cut out right now because a curfew time now and we don't want the police arrest me. So guess what? Let's go on journey with the boy.
Releasing dopamine.